Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get time in Star Parks. Understanding and acquiring time is fundamental to your journey in the park. It acts as your primary currency for unlocking new experiences and advancing your progress. Without sufficient time, many exciting features and challenges will remain inaccessible. Mastering time acquisition is key to fully enjoying everything Star Parks has to offer, from new zones to powerful upgrades. There are several straightforward methods to consistently earn time. First, make sure to complete your daily quests. They offer a reliable stream of time units. Next, engage in the various hourly minigames available across the park, as these often provide significant bonus time. Also, keep an eye out for glowing time fragments hidden in different zones. Collecting these adds small but steady amounts to your total. To truly maximize your time acquisition, consider a few strategic approaches. You can activate time multipliers available in the in-game shop, often providing a 20% boost to all earnings for a limited period. Joining an active guild also grants a 10% time bonus from collaborative activities. Furthermore, prioritize special events that frequently offer 50 or more time units for successful completion. Once you've accumulated a good amount of time, it's essential to spend it wisely. A primary use is unlocking new park zones, which typically cost around 100 time units each, opening up new adventures. You can also invest time into upgrading your character's unique abilities, enhancing your overall performance. Don't forget to save some for limited time events that often require a 25 time unit entry fee.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.